You're having trouble with the sort by column in Power BI, aka it's not sorting the way you want it to. I have something that you can try. But first, let's talk briefly about what the sort by column is supposed to do. Here's an example of something I was trying to do the other day. I was trying to pull in sales onto a visual and display it by month. But when I pulled the months onto my visual, they showed in alphabetical order. What I wanted to see was January, February, March, etc. in chronological order. So I used the sort by column feature. I went to my month name because that's what was in my x-axis. I clicked on it and then I clicked on sort by column and I sorted by my month number. But what happened is the columns got rearranged, but they still weren't actually in chronological order. February's over here, March is right after, but there's other months in between. If this is happening to you, then try this. Go to your table view, find the table that you're sorting by, and find the column that you're sorting by. Here it's month number. And then look at the data type. So with this, I had actually created a formula to pull the month number out, and it had automatically assigned that result as text. So in this case, the system was trying to sort it, but it was sorting by text instead of by number. So let's change this now to whole number. We're going to click yes. We're going to go back over into our report view, and there it's sorted. All right, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.